we need to be mindful of who's at the forefront of protecting seniors, which is senior living. Yet, Congress ignored the needs of our industry.
At the end of December, President Trump signed the Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2021, which includes $900 billion in COVID-19 relief funding. Part of that adds $3 billion to the Provider Relief Fund, a program that was created under the CARES Act to help healthcare workers on the front lines, which includes long-term care facilities. But Stephanie Harris, CEO of Arrow Senior Living, which owns Wildwood-Senior-Living in Joplin, says $3 million is only a drop in the bucket.
Not many communities can continue to weather the storm financially. These extra complications between the testing, between the job openings, between the additional PPE requirements for infection control.
Several national assisted living associations are echoing the same thing and continue to push for additional funding. American Senior Housing Association President David Schellis says in a statement, quote, "In addition to the package not including the liability protection the industry desperately needs, the Provider Relief Fund grew by only $3 billion, a shocking decline from earlier reports of an additional $35 billion. With Mark Parkinson, president and CEO of National Center for Assisted Living, adding, nearly 2/3 of long-term care facilities are operating at a loss, and the additional funds slated for the Provider Relief Fund for all healthcare providers in this legislation are minimal. Hundreds of facilities are in danger of closing their doors permanently and uprooting the frail seniors they care for. Harris says that Arrow Senior Living has been able to weather the storm and that the state of Missouri has helped them get PPE. But that doesn't mean they don't need more support, especially when it comes to staffing.
We're going to continue to have rising costs tied to testing, infection control, and job openings. We need the relief that's beginning to address the pains that we're meeting and the needs every single day in our communities.
In Joplin, Zach Dodge, KOAM News.